Meaning of father.
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 Father. Father typically refers to a male parent or someone who has acted in a paternal role. It can also be used as a title or term of respect for religious figures or leaders within certain organizations. The role of a father can involve providing emotional support, guidance, and material resources to their children. Fathers can have a significant impact on the development and well-being of their offspring. Overall, father is a term that represents a bond between a male figure and those they care for and protect.